Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to start Workspace work in Google. So let's get started today's video. So guys, I'm just directly search workspace.google.com. So you can cookies allow, okay. So now you can see all about work features. So read the blog, is there data update. So guys, now how teams of size of connect, create and collaborate. So get start and scroll down, and this is the product. So this okay. So I'm the first table meet, work remotely with confidence, use Google Meet and host secure high secure video meeting and write from your email or calendar. So do you work Google Workspace, Google Gmail, Google Calendar, Drive, Google Workspace, Google Meet, etc. So set up your business name. My business name, just name X, and number employee include you 13 plus, and click next, and first name, last name, contact email, it is a business phone number. So just put here. So guys, just full it this email address. Okay, click next, and yes, I have some I can use. So what your business domain? So I don't have a business. No, I need one. Okay, fine, name business. So guys, actually I'm not prepared this Workspace tools, so keep watching this video. So next part I will try my explain. So thank